If you're anything like me, you're probably captivated by the thrill of military aviation. The raw power, the sleek designs, the cutting-edge technology, it's all just fascinating. Today, we're diving deep into a legendary face-off. The B-1B Lancer versus B-21 Raider. Two bombers, two different eras. One question: who truly commands the skies of the future? Spoiler alert, one of these machines strikes fear into the hearts of enemies, while the other, well, let's just say it's had its fair share of challenges, so buckle up, because this ride is about to get bumpy. First up, let's talk about the B-1B Lancer, an aircraft that's been roaring through the skies since the 1980s. It's a sleek beast of a bomber, often referred to as the Bone by aviation enthusiasts. A massive warbird designed for speed, range, and versatility. With its swept-wing design and supersonic capabilities, it's not just a powerhouse, it's a symbol of American air dominance. The B-1B holds the record for the largest payload of guided and unguided weapons in the entire U.S. Air Force. That's serious firepower. But what truly makes the B-1B stand out is its battle-tested history. Let's talk real-world combat. Operation Enduring Freedom. After 9/11, the B-1B was one of the first aircraft deployed to strike Taliban and Al-Qaeda targets. It became a game-changer in modern warfare. Operation Inherent Resolve. These bombers led the charge against ISIS, dropping thousands of bombs to weaken enemy strongholds. However, despite its firepower and reputation, the B-1B doesn't always strike as much fear into adversaries as one might expect. So why is that? Why doesn't a supersonic bomber, loaded with cutting-edge tech and destructive power, send chills down the spines of enemies? Here's what I've come to realize. Military intimidation isn't just about speed and payload. There are deeper layers to what makes an aircraft truly terrifying. And this is where the B-21 Raider changes everything. Enter the new kid on the block, the B-21 Raider. Stealth, advanced technology, a total game changer. This baby is built to revolutionize airstrike operations. Imagine an aircraft so stealthy, so undetectable, that enemies wouldn't even know it was there until it was too late. That's the B-21 for you. The key to the B-21's dominance lies in its ability to evade detection. Think about it. The element of surprise is one of the most powerful weapons in warfare. You could have the most powerful bomber on the planet, but if the enemy can see you coming, all that power means nothing. The B-21 Raider? It waltzes into enemy airspace like a ghost. No dodging, no running. Just pure invisibility. Let's break it down. B-1B Lancer, incredibly versatile, carries more weapons, battle-tested for decades, aging design, not stealthy. B-21 Raider, insanely stealthy, packed with next-gen tech, integrates with AI, drones, and satellites, built for future warfare. Now that is next-level combat. And let's not forget, the B-21 isn't just about bombing, it's a high-tech surveillance and intelligence powerhouse. Warfare today isn't just about brute force, it's about strategy, precision, and adaptability. Imagine a future where this bomber doesn't just drop weapons, it thinks before doing so. So, here's the deal. The B-1B Lancer is undeniably an American icon. But the future, it belongs to the B-21 Raider. It's like comparing a classic muscle car to a self-driving hypercar. And let's talk money. The Air Force is already planning to replace the aging B-1Bs with B-21s over the next decade. The Lancer's days are numbered, and the Raider is about to take center stage. So, what do you think? Which aircraft is the real game changer? The battle-tested B-1B or the next-gen B-21? One thing's for sure, the B-21 is about to reshape modern warfare. I'm super excited to see how the world reacts to the next generation of bombers. Smash that like button, subscribe for more aviation content, and drop your thoughts below. Is the B-21 the ultimate fear-inducing bomber? Let's talk about it in the comments.